Picture it's the end of the month, and you're scrolling through your bank app. Your paycheck is almost gone, but the bills keep piling up. You feel stuck, stressed, and wondering how to stretch every dollar. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many people struggle to make their money last, let alone save for the future. Enter Dave Ramsey, the financial expert who has helped millions break free from money stress. His advice? It's simple, straightforward, and sometimes tough, but it works. Ramsey believes anyone can turn their financial life around by living frugally and making smart choices with their money. In this video, we'll dive into 7 of Dave Ramsey's best frugal living habits. These are your typical skip-the-latte tips. They're powerful strategies to help you save money faster than you ever thought possible. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or just trying to build better habits, these tips will show you how to take control of your money and your future. So grab a notebook and let's explore how a few simple changes can help you keep more money in your pocket and feel more confident about your finances. Number 1. Say no to debt, the plastic surgery rule. Dave Ramsey is clear about one thing: debt is the biggest obstacle to saving money. His solution? Say goodbye to credit cards and stop borrowing altogether. He jokingly calls it plastic surgery because he wants you to cut up those credit cards for good. Why is this so important? Ramsey explains that debt steals your future income. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar you could have saved. Even worse, credit cards make it easy to overspend because it doesn't feel like real money. Studies show people spend more when they swipe a card than when they pay with cash. Instead, Ramsey recommends sticking to cash or debit cards. Paying with cash makes you think twice before spending because you feel the money leaving your hand. Plus, you avoid the trap of carrying a balance and paying interest every month. Some people worry about missing out on credit card rewards, but Ramsey argues it's not worth the risk of falling into debt. To control your spending, try his cash envelope system. Divide your budget into categories like groceries or dining out and use cash for each category. When the envelope is empty, you're done spending. Ditch debt, and you'll see your savings grow faster than ever. Number 2. Focus on needs, not wants. Dave Ramsey has a simple rule. Focus on what you need and skip what you want. It's not always fun, but it's one of the fastest ways to save money. He calls it living with gazelle intensity, meaning you stay focused and avoid distractions that pull you away from your financial goals. What's the difference between a need and a want? Needs are the basics, things like food, housing, transportation, and utilities. Wants are the extras: new clothes, eating out, streaming services, or the latest gadgets. Ramsey believes that when you're serious about saving money, you need to put wants on hold. For example, instead of spending $40 on takeout, cook a simple meal at home for $5. Instead of buying the newest phone, stick with your old one until it breaks. These small sacrifices add up quickly, freeing up money to save or pay off debt. It's not about depriving yourself forever. Ramsey says this is temporary. Once your finances are in control, you can enjoy more of the things you want. For now, though, every dollar counts. Look at your spending and ask, do I really need this, or can I live without it? Focus on what matters most, and you'll see results fast. Number 3. Avoid new cars. Why new cars smell costs too much. Dave Ramsey has strong advice about cars. Never buy new. Why? Because the minute you drive a new car off the lot, it loses value, sometimes 20 to 30% in the first year alone. That means you're losing thousands of dollars just to enjoy that new car smell. Instead, Ramsey suggests buying reliable used cars. A good used car can save you a lot of money without the steep depreciation of a new one. Plus, he encourages paying cash for your car instead of taking out a loan. Why? Because car payments keep you in debt and take money away from savings or other important goals. Think of it this way. Would you rather have a flashy new car and stay broke, or drive a used car and build wealth? Choose wisely. Check sites like Kelley Blue Book or Consumer Reports to find a solid used car within your budget. Number 4. Live on a budget, your money map. If you don't know where your money is going, it's hard to save any of it. That's why Dave Ramsey always says, a budget is your plan for telling your money where to go. Without a budget, your money disappears on things you don't even remember buying. Ramsey uses a method called zero-based budgeting. It's simple. Take your monthly income and plan exactly how you'll spend every dollar before the month starts. The goal? By the end of your plan, every dollar has a job, whether it's paying bills, saving for an emergency, or covering groceries. Why does this work? First, it gives you control. Instead of wondering where your money went, you know exactly where it's going. Second, it stops overspending. When you stick to your plan, you avoid buying things you don't need. Here's a quick example. If you make $3,000 a month, you might plan $1,000 for rent, $500 for groceries, $300 for transportation, $200 for savings, and so on until every dollar is assigned. Try it yourself. Use tools like the Every Dollar app or even a simple spreadsheet. Stick to it, and you'll be amazed how much more you can save when your money has a map. Number 5. Embrace minimalism. Less stuff, more savings. Dave Ramsey often says, "You can't spend your way to happiness." That's why embracing minimalism, a lifestyle of owning less, can save you money and reduce stress. Ramsey believes that when you stop buying things you don't need, you'll not only save money, but also feel freer. Think about it. How many items in your closet, kitchen, or garage are things you don't even use? Most of us have spent hundreds, maybe thousands, on stuff that ends up collecting dust. Ramsey encourages you to focus on what you truly need, not what advertisers convince you to buy. Living with less means buying less. Instead of upgrading to the latest gadget or chasing trends, keep what you already have. This mindset shift also stops impulse purchases because you'll ask yourself, do I really need this, before buying anything? Here's a simple exercise. Go through your home and sell items you don't use. This clears clutter and gives you extra cash to save or pay off debt. At the same time, adopt a one-in, one-out rule. If you buy something new, let go of something old. Number 6. Emergency fund first. Your safety net to stop debt cycles. Life is full of surprises, car repairs, medical bills, or unexpected home fixes. Dave Ramsey says these surprises shouldn't ruin your finances. That's why he insists on building an emergency fund first, even before paying off debt. He calls it baby step number 1. Save $1,000 as fast as you can. This small cushion can keep you from falling back into debt when emergencies happen. Why is this so important? Most people rely on credit cards when something goes wrong, which just creates more debt. An emergency fund breaks that cycle. Instead of borrowing, you use your savings to handle the problem. It gives you peace of mind and financial control. Ramsey says this doesn't have to take forever. Start by looking for ways to save quickly, skip eating out, sell items you don't need, or take on a side hustle. For example, selling unused furniture or old electronics could add up to hundreds of dollars in just a week. Once you hit that $1,000 goal, keep it somewhere safe and easy to access, like a separate savings account. It's not for vacations or new gadgets, only true emergencies. Having an emergency fund is like carrying an umbrella on a rainy day. It protects you from life's unexpected storms so you don't get soaked by debt. Start building yours today, and you'll feel the relief of knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Number 7. Practice gratitude, a wealth mindset shift. Dave Ramsey believes that building wealth isn't just about saving money. It's also about having the right mindset. One of his key habits is practicing gratitude. When you focus on what you already have, you feel richer and avoid the constant desire to spend on more. Gratitude shifts your thinking from "I need more" to "I have enough." Instead of comparing yourself to others who have bigger houses, nicer cars, or fancy vacations, you focus on the blessings in your life. This mindset keeps you from chasing things that don't truly bring happiness. For example, you might look at your car and think, "It's not brand new, but it gets me where I need to go." Or, instead of wanting the latest gadget, you remind yourself how well your current one works. This simple shift helps you appreciate your life and saves you from unnecessary spending. Try this. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Over time, you'll notice how much you already have and how little you actually need. Gratitude isn't just about feeling good. It's a powerful tool to help you stick to your financial goals and build a life of true wealth and contentment. Saving money might feel hard, but with the right habits, it's possible to turn your finances around quickly. Dave Ramsey's frugal living tips are simple yet powerful. These habits can help you take control of your money. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. Small steps add up over time and create big results. It's also important to shift your mindset. Focus on what you need, not what you want. When you stop chasing more and start managing your money wisely, you'll feel less stress and more freedom. You have the power to change your financial future. Saving money isn't just about dollars. It's about building a life where you feel secure, confident, and in control. Your financial breakthrough isn't a distant dream. It's a decision you can make right now. Start saving and start thriving. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.